This is the LEKFS series electric actuator, a high-rigidity, high-precision actuator. Introduced to expand the range of SMC's slider-type electric actuators. This actuator was designed to improve on the existing LEKFS series, and it now has many new improved features. Looking at a cross-section of both actuators, we can see the differences that give the LEKFS its rigidity and precision. The existing LEKFS uses a two-row Gothic arch guide design, with a high differential slip, and cannot be preloaded as it requires a clearance to be maintained to avoid excessive friction. The differential slip for this design is high. On the other hand, the LEKFS uses a four-row circular arc guide, which gives it a much higher rigidity, with much lower differential slip. This allows preloading of the guides without excess guide friction. Preloading gives the actuator table a zero clearance. And surface ground guide rails give it its high precision feature. The high rigidity and high precision guide improves dynamic allowable moments. The load capacity for a size 40 actuator, with a 300 mm overhang, is 61% higher than the LEKFS. Each of the LEKFS's dynamic allowable moments are higher than the LEKFS for all actuator sizes. The LEKFS, with its high rigidity and high precision guide, has a much reduced table displacement. It is 50% lower than the LEKFS. Zero table clearance. Table clearance is the displacement caused by the play between the guides and the steel balls. In comparison with the LEKFS, the new LEKFS actuator has zero table clearance. The LEKFS series has complete mounting compatibility with the LEKFS series, with identical heights and widths, with its body mounting and workpiece mounting pitches, making this new actuator a straight replacement for the LEKFS actuator. This new LEKFS series has auto-switch mounting grooves that run the full length of the stroke. Auto switches can be freely mounted at any position along the entire length of the groove. Additional mounting brackets are required for auto switches for actuator sizes 32 and 40. Dust seal band magnets. These are now provided for all actuator sizes to reduce band warping and seal deterioration in use over a period of time. Improved positioning repeatability. The LEKFS series has better repeatability at ±0.01 mm. Positioning pin holes on the undersurface of the actuator are now standard. These are identical to the LEKFS for mounting compatibility. The LEKFS series electric actuator excels in positioning and transport systems that require high rigidity and precision in any two-axis applications. Thank you for watching.